Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike and it is so good to be back on camera. I've been doing all these talking hands videos lately and I'm really excited to be back on camera. But anyway, I've got an awesome review for you today on the S&S Grills Master Kettle. You're going to be seeing this thing everywhere. I'm going to be going through all the features on this cooker and giving you my opinion on it. Once again, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing that. If you want to wait till the end of the video, I have to prove myself, go ahead. But for those of you that have been here for a while, thank you for your support. And as with all my review videos, if there's anything I misspeak on in this video or forget to talk about or should have talked about more, I'll have a pinned comment below this video where I'll put all that information and we'll be open for discussion there too. So my experience with S&S Grills goes back to when they were called Adrenaline Barbecue Company. This is years ago, 5, 6, 7 years ago. And David, the owner of the company, reached out to me to send me the only product I believe they sold at the time, which was the Slow and Sear insert. But from the very first time I used it, it completely changed my charcoal game. And I mean, it completely changed my charcoal game. I was never really a great charcoal cooker, but when I got the Slow and Sear, it completely eliminated all the muss, all the fuss, all the stress, and it was amazing to cook on. It was easy to cook on, and I loved it. In fact, charcoal is one of my preferred ways to cook now, especially when I'm using the Slow and Sear in any of the cookers that S&S Grills offers. Now, this new Master Kettle just elevates the experience by adding prep space, storage space, and stability to the cooker. So inside we still have the Slow and Sear with the removable water reservoir. I have the drip and griddle in mind to make cleanup easy, and we have the Easy Spin Grate, which is made of 304 stainless steel, very high quality, and the Easy Spin Grate is awesome on reverse sears, especially with the cold grate method. Now we can talk a lot about the Slow and Sear and how it improves efficiency, how it can achieve higher temperatures, and most importantly I think is how easy it is to control temperatures throughout a cook. But a lot of you probably already know that, and if you don't, all I can say is you've got to experience it for yourself. Trust me, it's worth it. The grill cart has this table here for extra storage. There's hangers here for tools, and there's a basket down below for seasonings or tools or whatever it is that you want to use that for. There's also storage space underneath. The temperature gauge on the front I have always found to be extremely accurate. Even when I'm reading with secondary probes inside, it's always been very accurate. The key to that is to leave the lid closed so that temperatures can balance inside. The greatest thing about this cooker is the versatility. You can use it as a traditional charcoal cooker just using the charcoal grate. You can use the Slow and Sear attachment. You can use the S&S Grills fire baskets or charcoal baskets in several different configurations, or you can use their drip and divide system. Not all of those things come with the Master Kettle, but they are optional. You do get the Slow and Sear, you do get the Easy Spin Grate. This has a lid cradle built in, so you don't have to worry about setting that on the ground or burning your leg or finding another place to put it. It's built right into the cart. Like the earlier kettle models, it still has the smoke hole, and that can be used for either automated temperature control devices, or it's a great way to control temperatures on low and slow cooks. You can use it as a vent. We still have the probe port, which is awesome because we don't have cords hanging in and out of the vents. We can slide the probe right through the probe port. The lid will close fully, and that helps maintain temperatures much easier, and it's just a lot less hassle. So we have a top vent, we have a bottom vent, and we can use the smoke hole as well as a vent. A lot of times on low and slow cooks, I'll keep the bottom vent, the main bottom vent, completely closed, and I'll just use the smoke hole as my lower vent. The ash removal system is very easy to use, just like in most kettles. All you do is slide the handle, and that will push the ash down into the canister, which you can then easily remove and dump. The lid and bowl are coated in porcelain enamel, which makes upkeep and cleaning on this thing super easy. It's going to give you a lot of longevity, and therefore they give you a 10-year warranty on that. It is a standard 22-inch size kettle, and the overall dimensions are 25 1/4 long, 42 inches wide, and 43 inches high. And total cooking area, 371.54 square inches. And the grill cart table is made of coated steel. Now, as far as price goes, right now at the time of making this video, it's $449. But keep in mind that changes over time. When are you watching this video? I don't know. Maybe it's the day it came out. Maybe it's a year from now. And this cooker is going to be available from other locations. I believe it's already available from Walmart. So depending on where and when you see it, the price might fluctuate. But I can tell you that even at $449, this would absolutely earn my money. And it's one of those cookers that you could use for anything. If you want to low and slow, if you want to go hot and fast, if you want to reverse sear, if you want to bake, whatever it is that you want to cook, you can do on this cooker. So that's it for this one. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave me a comment down below. I need all the feedback I can get. Comments, thumbs up, that all helps the channel, and I really appreciate all your support. And I'll see you on the next episode.